Congratulations, President Trump. Your bold decision to target Iran's nuclear facilities, the righteous might of the United States, will change history. In Operation Rising Lion, truly amazing things. But in tonight's action against Iran's nuclear facilities, truly unsurpassed. It has done what no other country on earth can. We will record that President Trump acted to deny the world's most dangerous regime weapons. His leadership today has created a pivot of history that will help to a future of prosperity and peace. President Trump and I often say strength. First comes strength, then comes peace.